Green is good, yellow is decent, red is horrible, right?
Pretty simple.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Hello everyone, welcome back to VidCon 2018, and I'm honoured to be joined by
Sean and
Benji.
And combined, how many subscribers do you have on YouTube right now?
well, that's kind of hard to add up.
I'd say like just off the top of my head, probably like 4 to 4.5 million.
Wow, congratulations to both of you. You are both considered YouTube gurus, YouTube experts. One of the big things we're doing here at vidIQ now is channel audits. Now, if you were to look at your own channel or give advice to video creators about auditing their own channels, where would you suggest they start?
Well, it's funny because we are at vidIQ, and I think there's a lot of things you can do. When you use the tool, you already get some insights, and I think the number one thing I would look at is actionable SEO. So when you install vidIQ, it tells you if your videos are optimized. It gives you a score. And basically what I love about it is if green is good, yellow is decent, red is horrible, right?
Pretty simple.
Pretty simple. And so getting all your videos to green, what's stunning is once you install the tool, you could actually see some of your old content and be like, man, I'm missing out on so much opportunity because I haven't maximized the title, the tags, the description, the actionable things that I can actually do to make my videos perform better.
You know, one of the things I say is you want to start with titling properly, tagging properly, using the right keywords in your info box. So, you know, vidIQ isn't something that's going to change your life overnight, but over time, what you do is you upload a video and you see what tags work. One of the tools I like the most, where it shows you a number of where it ranks, right, for that tag, for those words and phrases. And based on that, you improve the next video and you keep improving. And that slow but surely progressive improvement is gonna help you optimize not just your channel, but your content and your videos to get more views and potentially more subscribers and grow an audience.
Now, when you were growing your own channels, did you have to think of different strategies depending on what your authority was? Were you using longer tail keywords when you first starting your channels, and then as you grew, you were able to make more of an impact in different sort of more broader keywords? Are there any sort of general tips to the metadata that you'd be using on your videos?
Absolutely. You hit it right on the nail head there, and that is that when you're just starting, it's going to be harder to rank for like meal prep for weight loss. But if you start typing in like meal prep for weight loss, it might say for females, or it might say, and again, that's longer tail keywords, the more distinctions. So I did a lot of videos early on, best camera for YouTube, which is a pretty broad topic that's hard to do, but you might go best 4K camera for YouTube all the way. That's different. Or best cheapest camera, because not everybody has the same budget. So early on, you really want to be more specific. And I would even say that still to this day, we definitely look for longer tail keywords, 4, 5, 6 words, because I think being specific, that's what Google wants to do too as a search engine. They want to give people the exact right answer. So when even the idea is broad, it can't necessarily even answer everybody's question. So when you have, we say this, one video, one kind of keyword idea, not trying to cover 100 topics. If it was 100 topics, make 100 videos. And so that each one can sniper, like be specific to what the end user is looking for.
One of the number one mistakes people use when they first start YouTube is just using individual words, right, as tags.
Absolutely.
Don't get me wrong, when I started 10 years ago, everyone was doing it, even like the top YouTubers. If there is one tip I could give you guys, especially if you're just starting out, just use phrases, right? I think once in a while there's certain words that might make sense, but ultimately the way people search for things is phrases. When's the last time you went on Google or YouTube and just put in one word, unless you're trying to like find how to spell something or the definition, right? So use phrases when you're tagging your videos.